Hi everyone, this is Barbara, aka PickyChick. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video of an unboxing of a ShopGoodwill.com jewelry lot that I bought. I have the invoice right here. It was listed as 6.88 pounds of vintage costume fashion jewelry. The actual lot, I got the lot for $10.99 on auction, and with shipping and handling, the entire order came to $19.75. So here's the box right here, and I am going to rip it open and take a look to see what's inside. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go. Let's cut this box open. Here we go. Let's dig in. Let's see what this is. All right. Put this over here. First thing I'm looking at is a pair of faux pearls. They're kind of a cool shape. I kind of like the shape, and they're sort of a taupey, a light taupe color. Let me see if I can get that lighting better. They're kind of cute. Next I have a wooden necklace, wooden round beads, kind of cute, but it will go in a craft lot. Another necklace coming out. This, actually, the stones on this are cold. I don't know if it's real turquoise or not. Looks handmade, the way the closures are there and the crimps. That looks handmade. It's cute though, I like it. Very pretty. Nice, okay. Here's an earring. Let's see if we can come up with some matches. There's another earring, clip-on. The first one was also clip-on. See, I don't think that did not have a mark on it. This one has, I've seen these before. The ones I've seen before that look like this, with a loop, you can see on the inside it says patent, and it gives you a patent number. And that may or may not have it on this one. Let's see what else we have. Another earring. Okay. Another clip earring. No marks on that. This looks like a pendant. Another clip earring. Let's take a look and see if there's a mark on that. I do not see one. Pretty. Hope I have some matches on some of these earrings. There's another necklace that's kind of tangled in. Let's see if I can efficiently untangle. All right. Oh no, this is a bracelet, and it's kind of cool. That's interesting. This looks vintage. Don't know if it is. Let's take a look at the other side. If I can open this clasp. That's pretty. I like that. I'll push some of this stuff out of the way here. That's kind of cool. This is what the other side looks like. I've never seen anything like that. I don't see a name, but I'm really liking it, actually. All right. There's a little post earring. Let's see if I can get this not to be too bright, but bright enough. And do not see a mark on that. Another clip earring Again, no mark. Ooh, that looks kind of yucky, dirty. Yucky, yucky, dirty. This is a cool clip earring. This one also does not have a mark. Okay. Well, so far, a couple cute pieces in here. Let's see. This is a costume. It feels pretty lightweight and inexpensive. That'll go in a craft lot. Another craft lot piece here. Feels like really lightweight wood. Like, you know, cheaply made craft piece. Okay, there are a couple of necklaces here. This is a 2-strand necklace. It feels pretty lightweight. It make a good craft lot piece. There's something stuck in there. Part of an earring, or an earring, I should say. All right, into the craft lot you go. This is the earring that was stuck in there. Do not see a maker's mark. Okay. This is a scarf clip. That is. Another clip earring. Another no name clip earring. Well, let's keep going. Come on, give me something to make me happy that I paid 20 bucks for this, even if I just broke even. That's kind of pretty. It is definitely a costume piece, but it's very unique. It has faux pearls and a very interesting spacer in there. Let's see if I can get that in there better. And turn the lighting up a little bit. Has like reminds me of Jack's in between the little spacer. It looks vintage, but no name. It's kind of cute. All right. Well, here's another necklace, costume piece. It's a craft lot item. Let's see what else we have here. Oop, there goes a part of a necklace. That was the part, this is the part that's left. I think a lot of beads are loose in this. All right. Craft. Oh, I think I've seen this necklace a few times. It's, again, costume. Not a very expensive necklace going in the craft lot. This also looks very familiar to me. I've seen this before in some of the things that I found. I should say some of the jewelry bags that I found. Kind of an interesting bead, but it's not, you know, it's super expensive. But I will put this in the craft lot as well. Okay, well here's a clip-on earring. Faux pearls and very interesting pattern on there. No name. Interesting. Put that in with the earrings. So far I haven't seen any pairs of earrings. Ah, here's the other one. We have a pair. Here's the pair. This was a no name. Kind of cute. Remind me of 80s, I think. So we'll put these over here. Here's a pair. Pierced earrings. They feel plastic or lucite. They look vintage. Kind of cute. Let's put that over here with the pairs. Oh, here's the pair to that funky pearl and metal clip. Put that with the pairs. Let me see what just fell. This is the piece that just fell. This piece right here. Okay. No mark that I can see on this. All right. This is either plastic or wood. I can't tell by the feel of it. Let's take this down here. Yeah, they're kind of faded. Another addition to the craft lot. Well now, this feels heavy. It's definitely tarnished, but it seems to me that I see a stamp in there. And I'm going to take out my loop and see what that says in there. It says, all right, this says Doncaster. Not familiar with it. I have heard of it. So I'll put that aside and look into it. I think it can be shined up, but it's a pretty heavy piece. A set of pearls that are not real, I'm certain, the way they feel. No name, going in the craft lot. Plastic cheapies, going in the craft lot. Vintage looking collar necklace right there. It feels sticky and dirty, but definitely vintage. Ew, it's really, really sticky. It appears not to be broken. Wait a minute, or is it? It might be broken right there. Right there. And it looks like it should be connected to the bottom, but it's pretty gross, sticky, like, ugh, I don't know what that is on there, but I think I don't want it. This is a tangled up mess here. Okay, that's kind of cute. This looks like mother of pearl necklace, graduated coin shape. And it has a tag on it which says, come on tag, what do you say? This says NWT, and I don't know what that means. Okay. Craft, I think, or maybe I'll put that in the look it up pile. All right. Another vintage looking necklace. It's ivory, or no, it's more white. It feels inexpensive, going in the craft. Here's how much I still have left here. Okay, here comes another plastic necklace. It's sort of a turquoise color. Craft lot. Here comes another inexpensive necklace. There's a necklace. It's interesting. It's pretty much turning. It does have a mark on there, and it does say Napier. So I don't know if this pendant belongs with this chain, but the chain is Napier. Here's another shell type of necklace. It's inexpensive and going in the craft lot. Well, interesting that they're calling this a vintage jewelry lot. It feels more like a craft lot to me. So let's keep going. Another necklace. Let me get this big old honker earring out of the way. The pendant's pretty. I do like the pendant. And the chain is pretty. And there is no marking, but I do like that pendant. That's kind of cool. Okay, put that aside. Here is a bright yellow necklace, and it's tangled up badly in this chain. Okay. I don't think it's vintage, but it looks like it is. It's just plastic, going in the craft lot. Interesting shaped beads though. A big, long rope necklace, and it is kind of tangled. It's kind of a tangled mess. There you go. Came out pretty easily. It's a very long necklace. Very long. And do not see a mark on it. This looks like it, let's see, is this part of this? There's strings hanging off now. But this again is plastic beads going in the craft lot. Here's an interesting looking necklace. It's got a big fold over clasp, and I kind of like the links on that. It's interesting. Silver tone. Okay, inexpensive bracelet again. It's cute, but it's going in the craft lot. Another plastic necklace. Boy, oh boy, this, I'm glad I didn't pay more than I did for this lot. Okay, did I have, yes, I have this one. Those are beat up. Pearls are peeling. I don't know if you can see that, but it is. Trust me, the pearls are peeling on that. So craft lot, there you go, in the craft lot. These look vintage, and they are, but they are so beat up. Those are faux pearls, gold tone, screwback earrings. Craft lot. Okay. More earrings. This one, does it have a mark on it? Looks like it does, and it says, heck if I know what it says, I cannot read that. Looks like 1A1 or something. I cannot read that. Anyway, that's what that looks like. It's kind of a tarnished silver tone clip-on. Here's the match to an earring we found earlier. So there's that. Okay, let's go put that in the matches. Oh my goodness, this is a broken earring, I suppose. Let's put that in the craft lot. All right, I'm going to spread a bunch of earrings out that I have in here. Here's a few. That's pretty, actually. I like this one. Let's see if we can line up something that we can match with. Let's see. Pull out some of these bad boys. All right. Ooh, that's... Seems like I remember my grandmother having these. Those are vintagey looking. I think they are vintage. I have to take a peek and see if that has a name. No, it does not. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's pull some of these. Bingo! Got a match. They're very worn, tarnished, and just the metal finish is wearing off of those guys. So they're going in the guess. Yes, if you guessed craft pile, you are correct. Keep going, keep going. Let's pull this back a little bit and see what we have. Good grief. I'm going to line a bunch of these up here, so I'm going to pause. So I managed to find a few pairs out of this mess of a pile of earrings. I can tell you that I am not thrilled. This whole lot really does appear that they went through it and picked out everything that was worth anything. I mean, there are a couple of interesting pieces here, but nothing I would base on purchasing the whole lot for. But anyway, these are the matches right in this area. And then these are the earrings that have no match. And so that's what the earrings are in this lot. Not real impressed. So Let's uncover what else they have in this lot. This is kind of a cute bracelet with little scarab stones or cabochons, but they feel plastic. They really don't feel like much. I am going to add this to the craft lot. This looks like it once was a pretty cool bracelet, indeed vintage, but it's quite worn. Right there you can see how it's worn. In fact, that's a missing, that's actually one of those missing rose, whatever those are, cabochons, or they're plastic, but it probably was really, really cute when it was newer. Let me see here. Okay. Here's another bracelet. It's gold tone and it's really worn out. It feels very lightweight and there is no marking on that. Craft lot. Next, now this necklace does feel like, it feels weighty in a good way. It has some not inlays, but different looking stones settings in this thing. Looks like a choker necklace. It does not have a marking on the clasp, which is right here. It's cute. I don't even really know if those stones are real. They don't feel like it, but the metal itself feels nice. So let's put that aside. Okay, next is another bracelet. It's very cute. It has little scarab cabochons in there. Let's see if I can get that closer. But again, they don't feel real. It feels plasticky, but there is a nice finish on the bracelet, and you know, it's wearable. It's cute. It's pretty. Another bracelet. This does seem like it's a vintage bracelet, but again, no marks on it at all. Oh no, there is one. Let's see what this says. This says, this is a Sarah Coventry. Okay, well, it's wearable. It's cute. That's a cute one. There are a couple of rings in this lot. This one and that one. Let's take a closer look. They're cute. There are no markings on them. But you know, they're cute. And here's the other one. This is a brown faux pearl with crystals or rhinestones of some sort. So I'll probably sell those, maybe in a ring lot. That's what I think I'm going to be doing, taking a bunch of cute rings and selling them off in groups. Some really strange things. One of the weird things, I have no idea what this thing is that they decided to include on the lot. I don't know what in the world that is. I think I showed this pendant earlier, the faded ballerina pendant. We have the scarf clip. We have a broken earring, clip earring with, maybe this belongs to it. This broken whatever this is. Okay, and whatever this, I don't know what these things are, but there's another one. There's a men's tie clip that is definitely missing something. A shoe clip that's missing stones. I don't know. This is definitely a craft lot in my opinion. There's an old worn out pendant. A cuff link that is definitely seen better days. It's got worn off finish on there. And of course, buttons. Another necklace that is gold tone and wearing off on the finish, going in the craft lot. Some maybe cat eye beads on this necklace, orange necklace here, going in the craft lot. Also, a broken necklace. Thank you, Goodwill, for some of these broken pieces. Another set of pearls, pretty long. Plastic beads, craft lot. And this feels extremely cheap, craft lot. Another set of pearls. Now they look like they were vintage. They do have knots in them. I'll put them aside and take a closer look. Very tiny pearls, but they feel very lightweight and cheap, so that's going in the craft lot. Another necklace. The pendant's kind of cute, but the chain is in rough shape. Craft lot. Just a single chain, very lightweight. Craft lot. A butterfly. It's kind of cute. Again, it's very lightweight. Oh, I think it goes this way. Let's see. There's a tag on it. I didn't see that earlier. And the tag says, let's take a closer look. The tag says Avon. Okay, well, I do have a collection of Avon jewelry, necklaces, and earrings that I may just put that in the group. So I'll put that over here and keep that one. Okay, a few more necklaces, including this very tarnished, and well, it's not even tarnished, it's just a worn out, was supposed to be gold, but no longer gold, lightweight cross, going in the craft lot. A few more necklaces here. Plastic beads on this blue necklace, blue long necklace. Pretty color blue, very lightweight plastic though, going in the craft lot. Going in the craft lot, going in the craft lot, you are going in the craft lot. So are these two, going in the craft lot. This is just wooden beads, really lightweight, yucky chain. This is supposed to be, I do not know, silver, but now, oops, now it's like silver, gold, worn out craft lot. And finally, this is kind of cute actually, but inexpensively made. And guess where it's going? In the craft lot. And just an aside, these dogs of mine are going to be introduced right now. This is Alfie. Alfie! Alfie, the friendly dog, the friendliest dog I know. Hey, he likes treats, don't you, Alfie? And this is Fred. Fred is the one that usually barks, aren't you, Fred? Fred, 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 Fred. Okay, those are my boys. So that is the conclusion of the unboxing of my first Shop Goodwill jewelry box that I purchased. I have purchased more, but they've all are unopened. I will be doing more unboxings. This particular one, I'd say pretty much thumbs down on it. I think it was really more accurate if they would have listed it as a craft lot. But I still had fun unboxing it, and I'm glad you joined me and watched the unboxing. And, well, Fred says, thanks for watching, and so do I. If you do enjoy my videos, I'd appreciate if you could subscribe, and also you can click the bell to be notified when I have more videos. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.